Get into the 2019 Toyota Camry. This vehicle still has fewer than 40,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Find the sweet spot where luxury meets convenience when you take the wheel of this alluring, standard-setting Camry. It's the sedan designed around you, your comfort, your safety, your driving pleasure. You'll be amazed by its cutting-edge technology, fall in love with its exquisite looks, and be thrilled by its muscular power. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Bluetooth connection, power driver seat, 8-speed AT, stability control, rear spoiler, traction control, daytime running lights, power windows, AM/FM stereo, power door locks. Aggressively seductive, solidly practical. We can't wait to introduce you to this exquisite Camry. Come in today and let our knowledgeable staff put you in the driver's seat.